Welcome to the top best. The best girl night lights is probably one of the most essential things for a girl's bedroom. They offer a sense of security and comfort, especially for those who might be afraid of the dark. But with so many options available, how do you choose the perfect one? In this video, we'll dive into the best night lights for girls, helping you find the ideal blend of functionality, safety, and style. Number 5. MOKOQI Pink Star Projector, fun gift for girls. To turn off, simply press the button again. For example, press the A button twice to turn off the night light mode. The B button cycles through 8 color modes, and pressing it a 9th time turns it off. Pressing the C button twice will stop the spinning. I can be a companion in the dark. I can help overcome the fear of the dark for a 1 to 2-year-old. I can bring surprise and romance when given as a gift for girls aged 3 to 14. I project a beautiful starry world onto the ceiling and walls. I stimulate exploration and imagination, becoming a good friend for girls aged 3 to 5. I inspire an interest in the universe and the spirit of exploration for girls aged 3 to 10. I can be powered in 2 ways. One is by a USB cord, which allows me to continuously create a starry sky. The other is by 4 AAA batteries, which allows me to go anywhere. I have 4 buttons on my belly. C is for spin, B is for changing colors, and A is for night light mode. Press B to choose your desired color. I am MOKOQI's little pink, and I can create a starry sky in the dark. I help kids fall asleep calmly. Bring me home, and I will create a starry sky for your little one, a rare sight in modern society. Don't hesitate to choose me and let me launch the moon and countless stars to express your love. What people say. It creates a magical starry sky right in the room, and my kids absolutely love it. The colors are vibrant, and the different lighting modes make bedtime fun and relaxing. This lamp has 4 LED bead lights in blue, green, red, and soft white. There are 3 buttons on the front of the lamp and you can adjust the many settings for the stars. Button A turns on and off the soft white light. Button B turns on all combinations of lights, including gradual fading lights. Button C slowly spins the dome so the stars and moon move around on the walls and ceiling. Number 4. Mind-glowing moon lamp, 4.7 inch. Transform any room into a serene celestial retreat with this 3D printed moon lamp. You can adjust the brightness, cycle through colors, and set the perfect ambience with its built-in timer and dimming features. It's perfect for creating a calm, magical atmosphere. Ignite your child's imagination with 16 dazzling and vibrant hues. Whether it's bedtime or playtime, these mesmerizing colors inspire creativity and set a soothing mood. It's perfect for peaceful dreams or cosmic adventures. This rechargeable moon lamp offers up to 20 hours of light with 4 dynamic modes. Its soft, calming glow ensures kids sleep soundly without fear. Let them spark dreamy stargazing adventures all night long. Recognized by the Mom's Choice Awards, this lamp is crafted with BPA-free, food-grade PLA. Its soft, gentle light is perfect for young eyes. It creates a peaceful atmosphere for sleeping, reading, or letting imagination soar through the stars. Unlike ordinary lamps, this moon lamp is crafted with premium materials for lasting durability and safety. Featuring a long-lasting battery, a 4-year warranty, and a celestial design, it's a step above the rest. It comes with gift-ready packaging, ready to impress right out of the box. What we like? This lamp creates a serene environment with its realistic moon design and adjustable brightness. It offers a variety of colors and easy control options. If you are looking for a unique and calming night light that can also serve as a stylish room decoration, this is the one for you. What people say. The moon ball itself has a glittery texture to it, so when it's not lit up, it is actually a pretty cool eye-catching decor. It has quite a few different light colors and patterns, so it keeps entertaining as time goes on. It works perfectly, and I love how you can make so many changes in color and brightness. Number 3. Cute puppy night light for kids. Introducing the adorable puppy night light. It's a 7-in-1 wonder, combining a cute dog design with 16 colors, 2 brightness levels, and a timer. This soft silicone lamp is perfect for kids and makes a great gift. Looking for a unique gift? This puppy night light is perfect. It comes in a beautiful box and is sure to bring smiles. It's soft, squeezable, and provides a fun, stress-relieving experience. With a simple tap, your child can turn it on, off, and cycle through 16 colors. This night light provides a soft glow, making bedtime fun. Kids will love the tap-to-change feature and the cute puppy design. Made from soft, squishy, and safe silicone, this lamp is perfect for kids. It's portable and cordless, so they can hug it safely. It provides exceptional sleep quality, ensuring a comfortable night. It features 2 brightness levels and a 30-60-minute timer. You can control it without getting out of bed. It's bright enough for feeding and dimmable for comfort, making it a caring choice for babies. This night light has a 30-60-minute timer and is USB rechargeable. It has a 1200 mAh battery and can work for about 10 hours on a single charge. It's portable and cordless, perfect for any room. Tap it, squeeze it, and have fun. This 16-color night light soothes emotions and provides a warm sleep. Kids can carry it anywhere, making it a great toy and a cute gift. What we like. This adorable puppy-shaped night light is made of soft, safe silicone and is easy to control with a simple tap. It offers multiple colors and brightness settings. If you like a cuddly and fun night light that's also safe for kids, consider this one. What people say. The soft silicone is kid-safe and squeezable, and the 16 color options make bedtime fun and soothing. It's dimmable and rechargeable, so no messy batteries to worry about, and it provides just the right amount of light for a nursery or bedroom. You have the option to touch the light, which is a little puppy dog, and it will toggle between 3 light brightness or off. Number 2. OJQ LED Light Up Letters, Music Sync and DIY. These LED letter lights are perfect for any room. They are great for gifts and home decor. You can spell out names or phrases with these wonderful glowing letters. Forget about batteries. This product runs on USB power, so you can plug it into a power bank, computer, or any USB port. It can save you money too. The lights sync with your music. A high-sensitivity microphone captures the rhythm, making the lights flash with the beat. It's perfect for parties or creating a fun atmosphere. Control the lights with a smart app. There are hundreds of colors and effects to choose from. You can also create your own unique combinations to match the room's ambience. With 26 letters and 2 symbols, you can create anything you want. Use them for home decor, dorm decor, or parties. They are great for any occasion. Made of ABS material, these lights are eco-friendly and non-toxic. They can be powered by a USB power bank or socket. There are hanging holes on the back, so you can display them easily. We offer 24/7 online customer support and unconditional return and exchange services. We believe in our products, and we want you to be satisfied. What we like. This unique light syncs with music, creating a dynamic and engaging light show. It's controlled via a smart app, offering endless customization options. If you are looking for a fun and interactive light for parties or room decor, this is a great choice. What people say. The night light is super cute and the perfect size. The light is soft and not too bright, making it perfect for a child's room. It has a timer function, which is very convenient. Number 1. Star Projector Night Light with Dusk to Dawn Sensor. This unique night light projects beautiful and intricate light patterns. It's perfect for creating a stylish and relaxing atmosphere in any room. It's great for kids and adults alike. The built-in sensor automatically turns the light on at dusk and off at dawn. This feature ensures your space is always illuminated when needed. It also helps to save energy. Easily switch between 9 different RGB color modes with a simple touch. You can customize the lighting to match your mood or the room's decor. It offers a variety of options. This night light casts light both upwards and downwards for comprehensive illumination. It creates a stunning visual effect, enhancing the ambience of any space. It's a great feature. Made of safe plastic, this star projector is perfect for any room. Use it as a night light, for parties, or as a special gift. It's a versatile and safe choice. What we like. This night light automatically turns on at dusk and off at dawn, saving energy. It offers multiple color options and projects light both upwards and downwards. If you are looking for a convenient and energy-efficient night light, you should consider this one. What people say. I really liked the rainbow spectrum of light in the picture but didn't realize until it arrived that you have a bunch of other options, There's a small button on the side to click through options. There's a slow movement of the color, not static, which is soothing and adds a little life to your home. I like the pattern it throws up on the ceiling and down on the floor. You can change the temperature of the light and add effects to make it appear to be moving. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.